On December 18, 1869, members of the Bar of Cuyahoga County met in a courtroom in Cuyahoga County's 3rd County Courthouse to create both the Cleveland Law Library Association and the Cleveland Law Library. An attorney named William J. Boardman and 4 judges named Jesse P. Bishop, John Hutchins, Seneca O. Griswold, and Samuel Williamson served on the Cleveland Law Library's first board of directors. Today, the Cleveland Law Library is a joint operation of both the Cleveland Law Library Association, which is still a nonprofit organization, and its county partner, the Cuyahoga County Law Library Resources Board. Between 1869 and 1911, the Cleveland Law Library provided reference and research services from 3 different county courthouse locations. In 1912, the Cleveland Law Library moved into its current home on the 4th floor of the Cuyahoga County Courthouse, located at the intersection of Lakeside Avenue and Ontario in downtown Cleveland. The Cleveland Law Library has employed 18 chief librarians since 1869, but no one was more important than Arthur W. Fisk, who served for over 42 years. Since its inception, the Cleveland Law Library has provided services to lawyers and law firms of all sizes.
My very first year, I practiced alone, and I found that I needed some help in researching cases, finding cases, looking for cases, the statute of limitations problems, evidence problems. So I found a partner. The partner was a Cleveland Law Library.
And when you're a sole practitioner and you don't have a whole firm to rely on, it's helpful to be able to rely on the resources of the librarians and just have another brain to help you sort of find your way.
Every firm I've worked for had a firm membership at the Cleveland Law Library.
Because the library was outstanding to begin with. It's a phenomenal resource. It's one of the premier resources in the entire country. I'm not sure that there are too many bar associations or major metropolitan bars that have the benefit of a law library like this.
The Cleveland Law Library's 2 most important services have always been providing reference and research assistance.
I can't say enough about the research service that's provided. I don't really know of anything like it anywhere else, where you can call a research librarian who's also a JD, have a several-minute conversation with her, who is licensed and understands the law, about what you're looking for, and then for a very reasonable rate, get back in return an hour's worth of research on the relevant topic with the controlling cases. The research that the research librarian does for me in an hour would take me all day to complete.
In recent years, if I have had success with a case, it's been involved here in the law library, from research either directly or through utilizing the services of your staff.
I'm just very happy with the Cleveland Law Library. It's almost impossible for me to imagine practicing law without being a member here anymore. So very happy, and it's a great resource, and I'm always happy to come too.
In addition to services, the Cleveland Law Library also provides quality educational, continuing legal education programs.
Yeah, this is such a fabulous resource, and I hope that the young lawyers, and maybe lawyers even who've been so used to doing computer research, don't think that there's not a value here, that they've been trained to use the computer to the extent that they don't know and therefore don't think that there's anything here at the law library amongst the stacks, amongst the audiovisual materials, etc., that can be of value to them. I think they're really cutting off an important resource.
Staff is always helpful. They get to know you as a person. They're willing to help out when you pick up the phone and call. And it's just, I'm glad that it's still thriving after all this time. To think that this has been going for 150 years is really quite remarkable. So I wish you another 150 moving forward.
Happy birthday, Cleveland Law Library. It's 150 years old, and that's very special. Thank you.